Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of One to Step. Today, I'll be helping you learn how to create a Netflix account. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Netflix is a streaming service that offers a wide variety of award-winning TV shows, movies, anime, documentaries, and more on thousands of internet-connected devices. Now let's begin. In order to sign up for Netflix, click open a web browser and search for www.netflix.com in the search box. Once you reach the official website of Netflix, in order to sign up for a new account, you can go ahead and enter your email address in the text field and then click on Get Started. Set up your account by clicking on the Continue button. You'll need to create a password in order to start your membership on Netflix. Create a password for your account in the Add a Password text field. If you don't want to receive emails about Netflix special offers, then click on this box right here. If you do, leave it unchecked. Now click on Continue. On the next page, you'll get to choose your plan for your Netflix. In order to do that, click on See the Plans. Start by Basic, Standard, or Premium and choose the plan that is right for you. With a Netflix plan, you'll be able to watch your favorite shows ad-free, and you'll be able to receive recommendations according to your searches on Netflix, and you have a full authority to change or cancel your plan anytime you want. Choose the best one for you and click on Continue. On the next page, the final step is to set up your payment. Go ahead and choose an option from where you want to make payment for your Netflix plan. Select either credit or a debit card option, or you can also make payment from your PayPal. Let me go and click on the first option. Now, start by entering your first name in the first text field. Type in your last name on the next and enter a card number in the card number text field. Once you type in your credit card number, go ahead and enter your expiration date for your card. Now, move on to the next field and type in your security code. Finally, click on I agree and click on Start Membership. And with this, you've successfully created a Netflix account. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.